Chandigarh University tries to bring a global exposure to our dear students and is creating a unique industry academic interface. Under the same vision, Chandigarh University has finally collaborated with IBM India and is going to offer some specialized courses for engineering and management students. Today we have over here Mr. Karthik Padmanabhan, Business Unit Executive, and Mr. Mayank Jha, Regional Head North and East IBM India. Let's interact with them and find out what they have to say. Thank you.
Whatever to the aspirations of the students of India and whatever they want to become, and especially in the field of information technology, there's a lot of student scope. So my sincere advice and recommendation to all of you out here is that we need to keep this feedback going.
Warm welcome on behalf of Chandigarh University, sir. My very first question to you would be, what is your thought about your first visit to Chandigarh University?
Take us a long way. In this journey, the only ones who are going to get benefited are the students, and I think the students, as a part of this partnership, are going to get truly benefited from these great new courses which we launched together. Yeah, so one of the big trends that's emerging in the IT space today is cloud computing, and as part of this new offerings which we have through Chandigarh University, I think cloud and big data are the two big areas we feel that the students can get benefited, and we at IBM have a lot of experience and know-how in these two areas, and through these courses and through our industry partners, we can share all this know-how in a way that the students get benefited from this. The exposure what you get is of a global level, right? So because these courses which we are offering through Chandigarh University is on par with any global course, so the international exposure from a knowledge and an expertise perspective will be on par with anybody else on the global level. Yeah, just get into the details, keep asking questions, and make sure that you ask the questions yourself, you ask the questions to faculty, ask the questions to IBMers or the industry, because only through questions you're going to learn, and keep asking those questions and always keep having the smile on your face.
Thanks a lot for that, sir. Thanks for giving your precious time. Thank you.